Alright guys, so quick little video for you guys today. This shifting bracket is off of a 90 to 96 Nissan 300zx. This is your actual shifter here. Mainly what happens with these is within time, the old rubber bushings tend to wear out, give out, and just see you later, they're gone. So you have like a sloppy shifter. Z-Bruhz Motorsports actually sells these brass fittings here. They basically are new bushings where you're going to put in here just like this. You're going to fit it through. It's going to give you a much stiffer shifting. Alrighty guys, so now I'm helping Robbie get the actual A-arm and the shifting bracket out of the way. So there's four 12mm bolts right here, right there, right there, right there. So we just put some lubrication on there, so we're going to let it sit for a couple minutes and then try to back them out. And then it'll release this whole piece here. Alright guys, so took those four bolts off, and then I also forgot to tell you guys, this is a 12mm bolt with a nut here also that you're going to have to take off so you can actually drop the A-arm with the shifter out through. And that's what it looked like. And my shifter bushings are non-existent, so literally shot. It comes with a sleeve where right there.
Yeah, put it on the stud.
Yep, put on the stud, but the sleeve goes in there, so it makes sure that your shifter isn't wobbly and that basically, so this could fit through. So, really easy. The package comes with two of these brass bushings, this lock nut. Your old one is going to come with this sleeve here with old rubber bushings or whatnot. You're going to actually ditch this, so you don't need that anymore. You can ditch that, and all you're going to use is these. So what Robbie's going to show you here is we're going to take that brass bushing, put that right in there, right on the edge of a table with a rubber mallet. There's one. Just going to grab the second one. There's two. Bada bing, bada boom. And then what you'll do is when we actually mount this back up onto the transmission, which I'll show you in a little bit, all you're going to do is match that up, put this through here, and then we're just going to put our lock washer on, or lock nut on there, right on here like this. And then what you'll do is bolt up the A-arm back to the transmission. Yep. So what Robbie's doing right now is he's attaching the A bracket, or the A-arm, to the transmission. It's four 12mm bolts. Alright guys, so hopefully the bushing replacement was easy, simple for you guys, basically just to get it done quick. Basically the most time consuming part for that whole thing is going to be the interior pieces. I kind of skipped that. But I have other videos that you guys can actually see of me taking like the interior pieces out. Also, the time-consuming part will be lifting up the car and trying to get under the car actually. I've seen people able to actually kind of wiggle their fingers down below and try to get the A-arm that way, but it's just a lot easier to lift the car up, get under the car, get those 12 bolts or 4 bolts and get them out. So hopefully you guys enjoy it. I'm down here on vacation. It's kind of a slow day because of the rain, so basically, I just try to get up some footage for you guys quick. So, hopefully you guys enjoy it. You guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.